What should I do before initializing my PS4?
Hey gamers, in this tutorial, we'll be going over what you should do before initializing your PS4. This is crucial if you're planning to reset your console or prepare it for selling. We want to ensure your data is safe and your transition is smooth.
Why should I prepare before initializing?
Initializing your PS4 means it's going back to its factory settings. It's like giving it a fresh start. This process deletes all user data and restores the PS4 as if it just came out of the box. Therefore, before you do this, it's important to ensure that all of your important data is backed up, your licenses are synced, and you're logged out from your accounts.
What should I back up?
Before initializing, you need to back up any game saves, capture gallery, themes, and user settings you wish to keep. This data can be backed up to an external hard drive or to the cloud if you have a PlayStation Plus subscription. You should also note down any settings you've customized so you can easily set them up again later.
How do I sync my licenses?
It's important to sync your licenses before initializing your PS4 to ensure your content can be accessed after the initialization or on a new console. To do this, go to Settings, Account Management, Restore Licenses. After this process, all the games and content you've purchased through your PSN account can be accessed and re-downloaded from the library.
How do I deactivate my PS4?
Finally, if you're planning to sell your PS4 or no longer use it, you should deactivate the console. This means it will no longer be your primary PS4, and it frees up the ability to activate a different PS4 as your primary console. To do this, go to Settings, Account Management, Activate as your primary PS4, Deactivate. That wraps up the essential checklist before initializing your PS4. Remember, by backing up your data, syncing your licenses, and deactivating your PS4, you're ensuring a seamless transition whether you're resetting or selling your console. We hope this video was helpful, and happy gaming!